Hello, my dear friends of Maricita Colors in English. This is my new bag that I make in crochet. And today, in the advances of Maricita, I will show you how I begin the bag. The pattern will come this week. So, I will make one magic ring, yarn over my finger, the yarn involves my finger and goes in the back with the hook number 4 millimeters. I insert into the ring and I bring one yarn. Slow, I make out my finger and I catch the yarn, and I will make 2 chains like the first half double crochet. All my bag I made with half double crochet. How is the half double crochet? Yarn over, we insert into the ring, yarn over, we bring one loop, yarn over, and we pass through the 3 loops. Yarn over, we insert, we bring one loop, yarn over, and we pass for the 3 loops. Into the ring I must have 12 half double crochet. The first chains are the first half double crochet. So I will continue making the 12 half double crochet. Like this, you begin to the bunny hats. You can close a little the ring for that you can make better the stitches. I will count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, and 12 double crochet. Now we pull the yarn of the begin and we close the magic ring. Now we find the chains of the begin and into the second we insert the hook and we make one slip stitch. Punto deslizado en español. For begin the next round, you make 2 chains like the first half double crochet, and in this round we must duplicate. In every stitch I must make 2 double or 2 half double crochet. Yarn over, and into the same stitch we make another half double crochet. Now it's like I have 2 double or 2 half double crochet together. So into the next stitch we will make 2 half double crochet. At the end of these rounds I must have 24 half double crochet. Half double crochet en español is media vareta o medio punto alto. I will count. I must have 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 22. And the last 2 double crochet, half double crochet, I will make into the same stitch where are the chains of the beginning. And now I have 24 half double crochet. Now I will change the color of the yarn before I close the round. So for join, we insert into the second chain of the beginning, we bring the new yarn and we close with 1 slip stitch. And now I will make 2 chains like the first half double crochet, and into the same stitch I continue with the increases. So I make 1 stitch into the same stitch. In this round I must make 1 increase and 1 half double crochet, 1 increase and 1 half double crochet. At the end of this round I must have 36 double crochet. Now I make only 1 half double crochet, and into the next stitch I must make 1 increase. So like this I begin my new bag that this week we will have in my channel. Before I go, I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's total free. Remember, activate the bell for that you receive the post when I have a new video here in my channel. You can find me too in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. And if you like this video, you can share it and give 1 like. Thank you very much to all the persons that always write me, and we see us in my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!